Upgrading from iQ3 to iQ4 with the AM60 is easy. Here's the full walkthrough to get everything set up right. Start by powering off the display completely. This step is critical. Skipping it could damage your hardware. Next, physically install the AM60 appliance in the OPS slot using the textless installation guide and instructions available on the support site. Once that's done, power the display back on. You'll notice you're still in the iQ3 experience, so now we'll switch over to iQ4. On the iQ3 interface, open Settings, scroll down to the System section and tap Default Input. Set the default input to the AM60 input. That's iQ4. Next, we will toggle off the smartboard with IQ setting. This disables iQ3. The display will apply the changes. Expect the screen to flash briefly before displaying iQ4. Now that you're in iQ4, there's a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the physical home button won't take you to the iQ4 home screen. It just returns you to the input lobby where you can change to another input that's connected to the board. To return to the home screen in iQ4, use the home button in the iQ4 toolbar. If you're inside an app like Whiteboard and the toolbar isn't visible, swipe up to reveal it. Second, when you tap Inputs from the iQ4 toolbar, you'll only see the inputs available on the AM60 itself. If you connected the device to one of the inputs on the display's frame or convenience panel and want to switch to it, you'll need to use the physical home button to view and switch to those inputs. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.